uma ngabe kukhona abanye who have gone ahead of you, awudingi izinto eziningi. Yes, strategy sokumarketa whatever that you are doing, it's good, but phezu kwalokho you need to be able ukuthi uhlale emkhulekweni. Hallelujah. Fanele ukwazi ukuhlala emkhulekweni mangabe umntwana kaNkulunkulu. Lithi izwi kaNkulunkulu ku-Isaiah 40 verse 30 lithi, even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young man shall utterly fall. Lithi, but those who wait on the Lord, lithi, they shall renew their strength. Lithi, they shall mount up with wings like the eagle. Lithi, they shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. We will not faint. We will not faint. We will not faint. We will not faint. Because we know how to stay. Because we know how to stay in the altar. Because we know how to fire ourselves.